Hello everyone, in this video I'll discuss the urine problems and complications that occur because of prostate enlargement in men.
The prostate is a gland about the size of a walnut that is only present in men. It is located just below the bladder and surrounds the urethra, the tube through which urine flows from the bladder and out through the penis. As a man grows old, the prostate gland can become enlarged. And as the prostate gland surrounds the part of the urethra, the enlarged prostate can squeeze that tube, which can cause difficulty in urination, like hesitancy, which means difficulty in starting the urine. There can be a weak stream of urine or intermittent flow of urine, or there can be dribbling of urine in the end. When the urethra is squeezed, it also means the bladder has to work harder to push the urine out. Over the time, the bladder muscles get weak, which can lead to increased frequency of urination, especially at night, an urgent need to pee all of a sudden, and sometimes urine starts leaking involuntarily. Prostate enlargement is a natural part of aging, just like graying of hair and wrinkling of skin. So all elderly males above 50 years of age will have varying degree of urine problems because of prostate. But the size of prostate doesn't determine the severity of urine problems. Some men with very enlarged prostate can have only minor urinary symptoms, while sometimes small prostate can cause more urine problems. This may be because of rise in muscle tone or fibrosis in the prostate and bladder neck area. BPH, if neglected for a long time, can lead to a number of complications like urinary retention, which is inability to pass the urine. These may require a tube or catheter inserted into the bladder to drain the urine. There is increased risk of urinary tract infections because of inability to empty the bladder completely. Bladder stones can develop because of prolonged residual urine, and any damage can occur because of residual urine in the bladder, which causes high pressure in the kidneys, which can cause kidney failure over a period of time. And finally, BPH is not prostate cancer, but the symptoms of BPH are similar to those of prostate cancer. So if you are having urine problems, discuss them with the urologist to rule out underlying prostate cancer.